Welcome back, friends. In this video, we'll know about Maginot Line, an array of defenses that France built along its border with Germany in the 1930s was designed to prevent an invasion. Maginot Line included dozens of fortresses, underground bunkers, minefields, and gun batteries. The Maginot Line was fortified with reinforced concrete and 55 million tons of steel embedded deep into the earth. It was designed to withstand heavy artillery fire, poison gas, and whatever else the German could throw against it. The Maginot Line was a technological marvel, far and away the most sophisticated and complex set of fortification built up to the time. William Altron wrote in his 2003 book The Maginot Line 1928 to 45. Nevertheless, after World War II erupted, the fortified border that was supposed to serve as France's salvation instead become a symbol of failed strategy. Leaders had focused upon countering the tactics and technology of past wars and failed to prepare for a new threat from a blitzkrieg of fast-moving armored vehicle. Instead of being stymied by the Maginot Line, German forces went around it, driving their tanks through a wilderness area in neighboring Belgium that the French wrongly assumed would be impenetrable. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. To know more about France history topics, subscribe my channel. Till keep practicing. Au revoir. Merci. Bye bye friends.